have been any problem. Easily, yes. I could easily catch you in this. You've got the three. So at most, you either have the 2.2. You either have the 2.2 liter four-cylinder or the 3.0 V6, and either a 4 or 5-speed automatic. Whereas this has a 3.6 liter V6, 6-speed automatic with sport shift on command. So yeah, easily. This also is twin turbocharged. This is also twin turbocharged. This is also twin turbocharged, but so it has more in it than it looks like. It's also twin turbocharged. And they got a pretty massive upgrade. Let's just say I added several hundred more miles an hour. Twin turbocharger. Nitrous. Yep, so if I have to kick that in, it's been actually modified to be able to support that. Yep, all professionally done. You're looking at about, you'd be looking at about roughly about $5 grand to rebuild the transmission. To have it done professionally, about 5,000. Yeah. I'm actually being nice. Actually, that's why I didn't do it. Well, I had more in it than that. No, you do that when you're stopped. So now would not be a good time to do it. You put it in sport shift when you're stopped. Yes. When you're stopped. Yep. You use the sport shift when you're yep, and it's just a matter of finding that sweet spot. Yep, and leave it there. That way, yep. That way, yep. You tap it this way to put it in sport shift, and then you tap it that way to shift up, tap it this way to bring it down. Pines, yes. Motorcycles so let them get by. Yeah, we're going to let these guys get by. Oops. Okay, no, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good. No, you didn't. Just wanted to move out of the way, so if they wanted to get by me, they can. So, bounce me if you want. That's what I'm going to go before. Yeah, like to give those guys some room. Ride. Great day to ride. Be free on the 4th of July. 40 years ago today, I turned my life over to the Lord Jesus Christ, and now I experience true freedom. True freedom, which cannot come at the hands of the government. It can only come from God. Which does not come at the hands of the government. Wait and see if they want to get by. Yep, take it. Yep. Yep, just in case the motorbikes want to go ahead and take it. Let them get in front. Too fast. No, I do not. A little bit, yeah, he's just having trouble holding his lane. That could be at the back. Yeah, he's having a little bit. He's not doing too bad, but he's having a little trouble holding his lane. That could be at the back there.